Today we're going to practice our snake sound. S, as in sock, silly, sun. All right, so let's dive in. I'm going to help break it down with you and then we can practice together. So to make our S sound, we need to make sure that our tongue stays behind our teeth. Think of it like our teeth are a cage. So we're going to keep our tongue behind our teeth, and as we breathe out, we're going to have a skinny stream of air that comes right through. Ready? Great. Now, what if I sounded like this? What did I do there that was different? That's right. You saw my tongue. It escaped out of my cage. Let's get it back in. Much better. All right, let's practice our snake sound in the beginning of our words. I'll say it first, and then I want you to repeat. Ready? Sun. Sit. Side. Soup. Say. How was that? Were you able to keep your tongue behind your teeth? Did you feel that airflow going right through the middle? Okay, let's practice it at the end of our words. Remember, I'll go first and then you get to try at home. Miss. Face. Floss. House. Thanks for practicing with me. The more we practice, the easier this will become. Time for our listening game. You get to be the judge, and you get to decide if I am making a good snake sound or if I need a little help. Here's our first one. C. What'd you think? Yeah, we heard our snake sound. Here's the next one. Soup. What'd you think? You're right, my tongue was sticking out for that one. It escaped my teeth cage. I was saying soup. Now let's try getting our tongue behind our teeth. Soup. There we go. Let's try another. Dress. How was my snake sound? Was it good? Yeah, I was able to keep my air going directly down the middle, and I kept my tongue behind my teeth. Here's another. Myth. How is my snake sound there? You're right. My tongue snuck out. Let me try it again. Miss. Was that better? Yeah. Now let's practice with some really short sentences. You're going to say them right after me, okay? As we're doing this, I want you to really remember, keep that tongue behind your teeth. And we're also going to make sure that the air is going right down the middle, right over our tongue. Here's our first sentence. Sam is funny. I ate a sandwich. Clean up your mess. Sit in the chair. She wore a blue dress. Sometimes our snake sound s can take a while to master. The best thing you can do is to keep practicing. And remember, if your tongue sneaks out, it's okay. We're just gonna breathe and try again. Come back and say these words with me anytime. You got this.